welcome. Here I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's go to left side and tap to settings so we can open them. And here we have to slide a little bit to find press and hold shutter button option. When we pick it, we can decide between record video, burst shot and focus. Let's stay on burst shot, and when we move back to camera and tap on shutter button a little bit longer, we should take our burst. So let me show you how it works. And as you can see here we have the countdown, and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. So our burst shot. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.